The following video is suitable for all audiences. Minors do projects under adult supervision. I took an aluminium plate and cut a circle inside of exactly 4 inches. This was a test project, so it was just on trial and error basis.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
Took 5-watt LED, which was an SMD LED, and used thermal compound and placed it in circle. The blue acrylic piece what you see over there, I just took it from scrap. It was lying down in a CNC cutting shop, and it was perfect for my camera. After aligning it, it looked like something like this. Now all I had to do is to solder the positive and the ground. I stripped some thick wire and started soldering all the positive and all the negative in parallel.
We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. It's so insane. We must merely make a start.
After the soldering, I connected the LEDs to variable power supply and multimeter to check the optimum voltage. So it was coming up to approximately 11.812 volts. And I also used one diffused acrylic cutout so that the intensity of the LED could be reduced and it doesn't hit the eye when taking portrait shots. And used a DC buck converter to get a constant current and constant voltage. Also check this diagram for reference. I will also upload all the projects and instructables for detailed info.
Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun.
I connected 4 rubber bands. I stuck it to the acrylic, the blue one basically, and so that it can be attached to the camera.
Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals.
These are some test footages which I had collected with the macro.
Let's go back to when trees
So
were
the Ringlight can also be used for macro photography and also for portrait shots and vlogging as well.
Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
So with the help of a ring light you can actually reduce the shadows because each LED compensates the shadow for the other.
Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Wait for the end credits to see my upcoming projects. This is the second version of the ring light which will be uploaded soon. Please keep watching.
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.